Hi, it's Gail from MyRepurposedLife.com, and I'm here to show you the latest progress in my Outdoor Overhaul hashtag the Hangout Challenge. Lots have been done, but still so much more to do. I feel like this is all I've done. Imagine this over and over and over again. All I've done is dig dirt and move dirt, dig dirt and move dirt. I want to tell you a little bit about my new 40-volt battery-powered Smart Trek lawnmower. See how it folds up so compactly? It's going to easily store in my shed. It's self-propelled and it adapts to your walking speed. The best part is how quiet it is. Let's listen.
Oh, it's really easy to lower right here. Just one little push lowers all the wheels. The battery I'm using, backup battery, headlight. I like the headlight. Pull this, push that.
My new lawnmower is so quiet that I've become quite the lawnmower snob. That's right, I was in the backyard yesterday and the neighbor 2 doors down was mowing his yard and it was so loud that I could hardly stand it. And I'm so thankful how quiet my new lawnmower is. I won't annoy any neighbors. I showed you that I have 2 batteries on board. One I'm currently using and the other is being stored. The first battery went dead about 35 minutes into my mowing job. All I did was just switch out the batteries and continue mowing. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's take a quick spin around the backyard and see what progress we're making. There's been a lot of work. There still is so much more to do. This is my new swing I purchased online, and I really do love it. I think every yard should have a swing. I have one out front, and now I have one in my backyard. Those are the Texas lamp posts we worked on. You can see those on the blog post. Fire pit is nearly finished. It's coming along so well. Oh, look, there's Henry making an appearance. I think he's sort of like a cat. He seems to be very curious in nature and just hangs around. I don't know. There he goes. Scoot off, Henry. You're not needed here. Gail's showing. Oh, there's Etta in the background. And that pallet you see leaning up against the fence, that's going to be something very special for the backyard. It's a very strong pallet. It came from Quikrete, so it had a concrete on it. It's very strong. 2 chairs going out to the street to get rehomed and a lot of junk that needs to still be dealt with. It's coming along and I'm oh so tired. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next DIY project.